Hi everyone. Today I hope to pick this Wilson and Bohannan lock, which I received in the post some time ago from Bosnian-Bill. Thank you very much, Bill. I don't have a key for the lock. I've successfully picked this after a number of attempts. Initially I was trying what I would consider a normal standard tension. Didn't work. So I increased the tension and that worked better. No apparent fault sets, so I don't believe there are any security pins in this lock. The training lock. Let's see if we can break this now. Set a few pins. This is the problem with not having security pins. There's little or no feedback. Oh, here we go. It's it picked. Thank you very much, Bill. Appreciate that. Great pick. Bye everyone.